everyone, today we're not gonna play in that Herobrine world. This is my 35th video, so it's special, and I'm probably gonna delete that Herobrine world later. But we're playing this Lucky Block world. Right, one block. Okay, load world anyway. First version of Minecraft was created in just 6 days. That's actually kind of impressive. So we're here on our block. Was that supposed to happen? I'm pretty sure I'm supposed to spawn on top of the block. Yeah, just give me a second. Here we go, guys. Created a different world, and it is not gonna break. And it's not the same thing. Yes, I can't earn achievements because this is Lucky Blocks, but the whole world is made out of Lucky Blocks this time. And it's not one block. Let's get breaking. We got a turtle. We got a bunch of bamboo. And a panda. And a spider. And a sword. And a diamond shovel. And how many pandas are there? And is that a horse? There we go. Oh, no. Get it. Giant pufferfish. Alrighty. I'm gonna keep inventory on. Just in case I die, which I probably will. I'm not falling for that. It's the oldest trick in the book. Nice. Let me get rid of all this junk, too. Nice, 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 and nice. And nice, 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 and nice. And let me out of this place. And goodbye, goodbye. No, don't go away. I want to get rid of you, remember? Come back! Okay, that gas is gonna roam around now. It's just gonna roam. I know, I'm evil. Goodbye. Gosh. I got a pet. And I'm gonna totally not. This is definitely not cheating. And this is not cheating either. That was not cheating, I promise you. What is this? A slime sword? What is that? Oh my God. I can just summon a flying slime. Oh, this is cool, actually. Got a plank, and I will use the planks happily. There's a village over there. I think I want to stay here. Ah! What is that? What was that for? I didn't even do anything. Hey, Dinnerbone. Hey, Gold. Hey, Panda. Hello? 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 Oh, save the panda. Get out of there. Oh boy. Do I have a pickaxe? Please have a pickaxe. To see if I can break it before I die. Eat a apple. Okay. Okay. Oh my gosh. Wish came true if I like potatoes. I don't see no potatoes. Oh, there's the potatoes. How many potatoes are there? What do these lucky blocks do? Okay, I'm gonna build upward, up to the top of here, using crying obsidian, because I'm rich. Ew! I do not want poisonous potatoes. I want to clear out my inventory. I don't need this shovel. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. I'm probably never going to use these potions. So, goodbye. I'll put all my swords right up there. I do not need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need this. I need that. And I dropped it. Don't need this. Don't need that. I don't need this. I don't need that. I don't need... I don't need this. Now, where's my potatoes? I'm stuck. And I need that. Wasn't there diamonds too? Got an idea. Just don't. Just don't question what I'm doing. I'm gonna suffer from this too. See? Only I came back to life. Completely fine. What does the slime sword actually do? Nothing good. Alright, we're here to break this stuff. Did that lucky block just fall on me? Oh, too bad. I was right next to here. I probably would have died. Oh, I would have died. But I was right next to the water, so. Oh my gosh. What kind of potion is this? Oh my gosh. I can go speedy fast. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh, this really hurts my eyes. Oh my gosh. I feel so slow now. Oh my gosh, that hurt my eyes. Hey! It's Jeb _ the special sheepy. Everyone's favorite sheep. That didn't do anything, by the way. It just turned all the lucky blocks red. And it gave me a pressure plate. What happens if I stand on it? What are those? that is not a Vex. Oh no, I'm in jail now. What were those little things? Get ready to go. Yes. When I find that thing, I'm gonna throw this egg at it. Hey, come back here. Oh, come on. I'm gonna take off my armor so I know it is. It's just a regular Vex. Nothing out of the ordinary about it. Don't mind me. And there we go. What do these lucky blocks do? Hey, don't worry, I'm your friend, see? Come back here! Okay, whatever. I'm gonna leave him be. Because there's no way I'm ever gonna kill him. And I wish I hadn't got... And I've got a pickaxe. Let's go, and what's in here? I'm just gonna have to ignore the fact that I'm constantly getting hit by Vexes. Oh my gosh, stop it. That was the way. Now it's gone. For good. Goodbye. goodbye, eggs. Goodbye, eggs. And goodbye, bamboo. That stuff is just junk. That stuff is not. And it was not nothing, actually. No, I do not want a pig. And yet I picked it up anyway. Goodbye. Oh my gosh, what do you think you're doing? You know I can blow you up. Oh my gosh. I don't know what that was. So that's what it was. Uh-oh, no! Goodbye, skeleton. And yes, I got another TNT sword. Wait, hang on. There's a shulker box. Yes. Where did that TNT come from? The house is completely gone. Don't need that. I don't need any of these things. Don't need this, don't need that, 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 don't need this. And I need that. Alright, goodbye. Break this block, break this block. It's a mushroom. Break this block, break that block, break this block. Pufferfish is gonna die. Just trap me in the cage. Oh, it tried to drop anvils on me. Too bad. Mushrooms can save you. Alright guys, this is gonna be the end of today's video. I hope you liked it. If you did, smash that like button, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.